Want to make your living room look fresh and stylish without a full makeover? Curtains can do wonders. Stick around as I show you 20 of the hottest curtain ideas for 2025 that can totally transform your space. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Curtains are such a simple way to bring new life into a room. They don't just cover windows, they add style, warmth, and even personality to your space. In this video, I'm sharing 20 unique curtain ideas for 2025, from bold colors and textures to modern and eco-friendly options. Whether you're into cozy, casual vibes or something more elegant, you're going to find something you love here. Let's dive right in. Colors and patterns. Bold colors. First up, we have bold colors. Bright shades like deep teal, navy blue, or even mustard yellow are in. These colors make a strong statement and are perfect if you want your curtains to be the star of the room. Soft pastels. If you prefer a calm and relaxing vibe, go for soft pastel shades like blush pink, light blue, or mint green. These colors are subtle yet add a fresh, airy feel to your living space. Geometric patterns. For a modern and stylish look, geometric patterns are the way to go. Think chevrons, stripes, or abstract shapes. They add a cool, contemporary touch that really pops in a simple room. Floral prints. Floral prints are classic and cozy, adding a warm, welcoming feel. Perfect for a traditional or vintage look, floral curtains can bring softness and charm to your living room. Ombre curtains. Finally, we have ombre curtains. These curtains gradually fade from one color to another, creating a unique effect that's eye-catching and trendy. They're a fun way to add some style without going too bold. Materials and textures. Now, let's talk about materials and textures. The fabric you choose for your curtains can really affect the look and feel of your living room. Here are some trending materials and textures for 2025 that add a unique touch to your space. Velvet curtains. First, we have velvet. Velvet curtains are rich, soft, and luxurious. They instantly make a room feel more upscale and cozy, perfect for adding warmth and elegance. Linen curtains. Linen is another popular choice. It's light, airy, and gives a natural look that's perfect for a relaxed vibe. Linen curtains are great if you want a simple, organic feel in your living room. Sheer curtains. Sheer curtains let in a lot of natural light, creating a bright and open feel. They're delicate and soft, giving the room a dreamy look. Sheer curtains are perfect if you love a light and breezy atmosphere. Satin curtains. Satin curtains have a smooth, shiny finish that adds a polished and elegant look to any room. They reflect a bit of light, which can make your space feel brighter and more sophisticated. Blackout curtains. Lastly, blackout curtains are not only stylish but also practical. They block out sunlight, giving you privacy and helping you control the lighting in your space. Perfect for movie nights or if you prefer a cozy, darker room. Styles and lengths. Now, let's dive into curtain styles and lengths. The way your curtains are styled and the length you choose can make a big impact on your living room's overall look. Here are some stylish options for 2025. Floor-to-ceiling curtains. Starting with floor-to-ceiling curtains, these are perfect if you want to make your room feel taller and more spacious. Long curtains add a touch of drama and elegance, drawing the eye upward and making the space feel bigger. Layered curtains. Layered curtains are a great option for both style and function. You can pair sheer curtains with blackout ones, giving you flexibility to let in natural light during the day and block it out when you need privacy. Plus, the layered look adds depth and dimension to your room. Short, casual curtains. For a more relaxed, casual feel, short curtains are a great choice. These are perfect if you have a smaller space or if you want a laid-back look. They're easy to manage and keep things simple and cozy. Rod pocket curtains. Rod pocket curtains have a clean, classic look. The curtain rod slides through a pocket at the top, giving it a smooth, seamless style. This type is easy to hang and works well with most decor styles, making it a versatile choice. Pleated drapes. Pleated drapes are for those who love a formal and structured look. The pleats give the fabric a neat and polished appearance, adding a traditional touch to your living room. Perfect if you're going for a classic, elegant style. These different styles and lengths each bring a unique touch to your space, so think about the look and feel you want, and choose the style that fits best. Functional and innovative styles. Finally, let's explore some functional and innovative curtain styles. These curtains do more than just look good, they add convenience, comfort, and even eco-friendliness to your living room. Let's check out these practical options for 2025. Motorized curtains. Motorized curtains are perfect if you love smart home features. With a remote or an app, you can open and close them without getting up. It's a small touch of luxury and convenience, especially if you have large windows or hard-to-reach areas. Insulating curtains. Insulating curtains help keep your living room warm in the winter and cool in the summer. They act as a barrier, blocking cold drafts and heat from outside, which can save energy and make your home more comfortable year-round. Soundproof curtains. If you live in a noisy area or simply want a quiet, peaceful space, soundproof curtains are a great choice. They're made with thick, heavy fabric that helps reduce outside noise, creating a calm and relaxing environment. Blinds and curtains combo. For those who want flexibility, a combo of blinds and curtains offers the best of both worlds. Use the blinds to control the light during the day, and the curtains for a cozy look in the evening. This setup adds style and function, giving you options for any time of day. Eco-friendly curtains. Finally, eco-friendly curtains are becoming more popular as people look for sustainable options. Made from materials like organic cotton, bamboo, or recycled fabrics, these curtains are better for the environment and perfect if you're aiming for a green lifestyle. Quick tips for styling. Now that we've gone through the top trends, here are a few quick tips to help you style your curtains like a pro. Match colors with your room. When choosing curtain colors, think about the colors already in your room. Try matching your curtains with the color of your furniture, rugs, or wall paint for a balanced look. If your room is neutral, a bold curtain color can add a nice pop. Balance patterns. If your room has a lot of patterns, go for solid curtains to avoid a cluttered look. On the other hand, if your room is mostly solid colors, patterned curtains can add character and make the space more interesting. Use long curtains for height. If you want your living room to feel taller, go with floor-to-ceiling curtains. They draw the eye upward, making the room feel bigger and more open. This trick works especially well in small spaces. Experiment with layers. Layering curtains, like combining sheer and blackout curtains, not only looks stylish but also gives you control over light and privacy. It's an easy way to add depth and flexibility to your decor. Choose the right hardware. Don't forget about the curtain rods and hooks. Choosing hardware that matches your room's style, whether modern, classic, or rustic, can make a big difference in the overall look. And that's a wrap. We've explored 20 fantastic curtain ideas that are sure to elevate your living room decor in 2025. Whether you're drawn to bold, vibrant colors, cozy and textured fabrics, or sleek and functional styles, there's a perfect curtain option for every taste and every space. I hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to experiment with new looks for your home. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up, it really helps out. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest home decor tips, trends, and inspiration. We've got plenty more content on the way to help you create a home that truly reflects your style. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which curtain style you're most excited to try, or if you have any unique ideas or personal favorites to share. Your input helps make this community even more fun and inspiring. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy decorating!